Sushil Pandit, well-known activist, Sudhanshu Trivedi and Sushil Pandit on one side, Ragini Nayak of the Congress Party and Tanveer Sadiq of the National Conference on the other side. 2 versus 2 on this News Hour debate tonight. Now, Ragini Nayak, suppose just to put what the Congress Party has done in perspective, let me just give you some examples which will prove how you are doing something by defending Manishankar Aiyar, which is indefensible. Suppose an American senator from the Republican Party goes to North Korea, right? And in North Korea praises Kim Jong-un and lambasts Barack Obama and says that the people of North Korea will have to do something to ensure that Barack Obama is removed. Or for that matter, a Labour politician slams David Cameron and praises Hassan Rouhani in Iran. How would the people of Britain respond? Or for that matter, a member of the Japanese opposition, I think you're getting the point, right? Slams Shinzo Abe, praises the Chinese premier in Beijing and says that the Chinese people will have to do something to remove Shinzo Abe. Otherwise, the relationship between between Japan and China will never improve. Or a Republican senator, for that matter, you're getting the point, aren't you? Visits Russia and says Vladimir Putin is the apostle of peace, while denigrating Barack Obama in the context of what Salman Khurshid said. The apostle of peace argument was made by Salman. Yeah, I just wanted to. I can keep giving you arguments till you get you got the point. Good, great. You got the point. The point that emerges is that it says a lot about the opposition party of this country when it chooses to put partisan politics over and above the spirit of bipartisanship and patriotism. That also when it comes to Pakistan.
Value judgment that you want to put forth before the debate has even started.
I've given you my perspective. A question is put to you. Please answer. Are you proud of Manishankar Aiyar? Are you proud of what Manishankar Aiyar has done?
Yeah, I'm answering.
Are you proud of it?
You'll have to. I will give you an answer.
Are you proud of it?
I will give you an answer if you would allow me. Your weird analogies, your misinterpretations, and your presumptions are not going to draw me into the kind of debate you want me to be a part of.
I just want you to answer. I just want you to answer.
Let me put forth my
Forget the preamble, answer.
I want to put it. Yes.
Answer the question.
You see, the Indian National Congress, Mr. Arnab Goswami, stands in unison with the government of India, the government of the day, as far as territorial integrity and sovereignty of the country is concerned. Let me also make it very clear that we have not an iota of doubt on the fact that Pakistan is a state which sponsors and exports terrorism. But Mr. Manishankar Aiyar has categorically denied.
Denied? You want me to play the video?
Whatever you are at.
This video, you want me to play it now?
No, listen to me.
No, should you want to play the video? You believe the video or not believe the video?
Hear me out. Yes, you should play it out.
I'll play the video.
All of us should listen to it.
Yes, I will play the video.
All of us are going to listen to it. Here is, okay, all right.
Should we play the video?
Semantics.
Should we play the video? Should we play the video?
Yes, you play the video.
One second. Sushil Pandit, Tanveer Sadiq and Sudhanshu Trivedi video play करें. पूरी video play करें.
Arnab.
क्योंकि विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है आज रागिनी नायक को.
Is there any doubt about it?
नहीं वो कह रहे कुछ नहीं बोला है. बोले डिनाई कर दिया मनीशंकर अय्यर ने.
नहीं आप नहीं अर्नब नहीं आप वीडियो प्ले करिए. मेरी बात पूरी सुन लीजिए. पहले मेरी बात सुन लीजिए. The particular interview that your interpretation and presumptions
interpretation की बात नहीं है.
In that Mr. Manishankar Aiyar as a private citizen of the country is
private citizen.
Being interviewed
He's an
by
MP.
A Pakistani anchor. He's saying that
private
at
citizen.
this point in time,
No, 1 second.
the Indo-Pak relations under Mr. Modi have hit an all-time low.
Achha, I don't understand. Listen, Ragini.
You cannot deny the fact that there have been 900 ceasefire violations in 3 months. Can you deny it? You tell me, can you deny it? Secondly,
have you finished? Have you finished?
He's saying that the Indo-Pak relations can only improve when Congress comes back to power. Now, what is your problem with that? What is your problem with that? He hasn't used the word ISI. He hasn't used the word that he wants support from the Pakistani government. मुझे पाकिस्तानी सियासत की मदद चाहिए. You're putting words in his mouth,
Right.
and then you want the Congress party to give clarification and justification.
बस वही बाकी रह गया था.
चलिए, सुधांशु
Okay, बाकी नहीं रहा भाई.
अच्छा
He
अच्छा,
said
आई विल
so.
प्ले द वीडियो. सुनिए सुशील
said
पंडित
in
और
as
सुधांशु
many
त्रिवेदी
words.
रिप्लाई करेंगे. उसके बाद मैं वीडियो जरूर प्ले करूंगा. और अगर किसी को भी डाउट है तो पाकिस्तान के दुनिया टीवी के वेबसाइट पे जाइए और लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए, और जहां पे आप पार्ट 4 ऑफ डिस्कशन पे जाएंगे वहां पे 4 मिनट 4 मिनट 50 सेकेंड के मिनट स्क्रॉल कीजिए. यू विल हैव द वीडियो एविडेंस. यू नीड टू प्रूव दैट मणिशंकर अय्यर वाज कॉलिंग फॉर मोदीज रिमूवल.
Behind the idea of what Manishankar Iyer.
1 second please, Tanveer Sadiq, the other side now. Sushil Pandit first, then Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Not at all.
1 second, one से सारी वीडियो प्ले करेंगे आज. सुशील पंडित, then Sudhanshu Trivedi. Sushil Pandit, first response, Sushil Pandit, please.
Yes, Arnab, kindly take care that people are not shouted down in this debate, because I think it is important to have your say clearly. This was not just being anti-national, which it was very clearly. It was being brazenly so. He is an MP. He is a former minister of Manmohan Singh government. The government which was so embarrassed of him, they shunted him around and then dumped him. Despite losing elections, despite being dumped, despite being distanced by his own party, this man is uninterrupted and uninterruptible embarrassment. Continuous embarrassment for this party, for his own party, for this country, for our polity, and I am surprised he was part of our diplomacy. He was part of our foreign service. It is incredible to
Arnab,
believe
can I come in
that
here?
the man of such gifts, of such talents, had been running some crucial affairs. He epitomizes fifth column in this country, and a brazen fifth column. He doesn't work under cloak, he doesn't work under shadows. He openly, brazenly and shamelessly mouths his anti-national agenda wherever he gets an opportunity.
Now should I play the video? Should I play the video? 1 second. Should I play the Sudhanshu जी, मैं वीडियो प्ले करता हूँ.
Arnab,
नहीं, एक मिनट. 1 second.
I want to respond.
1 second, रागिनी.
Stars of being anti-national.
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी पे मैं जाना चाहता हूं, उसके बाद जरूर मैं आपकी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू लूंगा और तनवीर सादिक पे भी आऊंगा. I want to make 3 things clear.
Those who
I want to make
a
3
living.
No, I want to make
Those
3
who
things
make
clear
a
before I go to
living
Sudhanshu
defending
Trivedi. 1
such things will
minute.
never be
1
able
minute.
to see this video.
Just 1 minute. The problem with what does Manishankar Aiyar say? Manishankar Aiyar says, first we need to remove Narendra Modi or else talks are not going to move
Modi
forward.
को हटाइए.
No, he says Modi
It's
को
not
हटाइए.
that.
Modi को हटाना पड़ेगा or something like that. So
Yes.
that is actually quite insulting. He is not saying the
the
people of
actor says
Pakistan have to
that
remove
ISI
Modi.
को भेजें.
No, 1 second. So I make it absolutely clear. 1 second. He is not saying that the people of Pakistan need to remove Modi. But he is saying, he is saying,
का प्रयोग किया.
अरे भाई,
उसका क्या अर्थ निकलता है?
रागिनी
You'll
सुन
have
तो
to
लीजिए.
get the
रागिनी सुन
specifics
लीजिए.
and the details.
रागिनी नायक सुन लीजिए.
Don't debate it superficially.
सुन लीजिए.
Don't debate
He
this
is not saying
superficially.
Modi को हटाएंगे.
मैं okay, now listen, please let me complete my point. Let us hear Sudhanshu Trivedi, then I'll
उसके
play
बाद
the
क्या
video
कह
also.
रहे हैं?
रागिनी,
How
please
does
1
it
minute.
qualify his
Listen,
statement?
आप सुन तो लीजिए, आप सुन ही नहीं रहे. आप बात तो सुन लीजिए प्लीज. क्लिप तो देख लीजिए. मैं आपको ये 2 बातें कह रहा हूं उसके पहले
सुन के ही जवाब
कि मणिशंकर अय्यर क्या कहते हैं. भाई सुन तो लीजिए ना. मणिशंकर अय्यर कह रहे हैं there is only one way for improving India-Pakistan relations. To improve our relations, we need a Prime Minister of India who does not unnecessarily lay down conditions and begins talks with Pakistan like Manmohan Singh did. In other words, वो कह रहे हैं. और फिर वो कहते हैं अभी क्या करने की जरूरत है. इंडिया पाकिस्तान को एंकर पूछते हैं. वो कहते हैं पहले मोदी को निकालो, नहीं तो बात आगे बढ़ने वाली नहीं है. अब इसका तात्पर्य क्या है? पहले मोदी को निकालो.
Taking it out of context.
नहीं, क्या कॉन्टेक्स्ट है इसमें?
मैं तात्पर्य बताती हूँ.
नहीं, 1 मिनट. मैं सुधांशु त्रिवेदी से पूछता हूँ उनका तात्पर्य क्या है, फिर मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी प्लीज. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी नाउ प्लीज. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी.
आई वांट टू से समथिंग नाउ.
या
देखिए साहब, अभी जो बिहार में चुनाव हो रहा था तो कांग्रेस के नेताओं ने बड़ा जोर शोर से एक सेंटेंस बोला था कि अमित शाह जी ने यह क्यों कह दिया कि यदि बीजेपी हारेगी तो पटाखे पाकिस्तान में फूटेंगे, मगर हमें ये उम्मीद नहीं थी कि ये पटाखे फोड़ने के लिए कांग्रेस के नेता पाकिस्तान में जाके पटाखे फोड़ेंगे, जो मणिशंकर अय्यर और सलमान खुर्शीद कर रहे हैं। Even in this interview, you have seen कि Manishankar Ayyar himself is saying that these people means the Pakistanis are very hopeful कि मोदी जी के रहते हुए अच्छा हो जाएगा, मगर होने वाला नहीं है। मतलब look at the sentence of this video that Pakistanis are hopeful for Modi ji, but Manishankar Ayyar is not hopeful. Second thing, the vengeance which the Congress party is having and the contempt which the Congress party is having against Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi is evidently clear. As recently, the day before yesterday, आपने इलाहाबाद में जो पोस्टर लगाया था वो क्या था? सबके आप सेपरेट एक्सप्लेनेशन देंगे, but in totality shows the mindset. And third thing, I also want to ask the question, where are those champions of tolerance? This has defined the clear definition of tolerance, what in their view is tolerant for India and what their view is not intolerant for India. This statement of Manishankar Ayyar is tolerant. And whatever is happening, this is intolerant.
Okay.
I just want to say one thing, whatever Mr. Manishankar Ayyar has said, what Azam Khan has said, what Salman Khurshid has said, and what Hafiz Saeed has said, it seems echoing the same language, same letter and same spirit.
अच्छा one second. तो एंकर पूछता है सेक्शन 2 में, no one second, मणिशंकर अय्यर एक्सप्लेन्स टू तनवीर सादिक कहते हैं, सुनिए रागिनी आपके फॉर्मर एलाय, आप सुन तो लीजिए, आप
ashamed to be born in India.
What?
You wouldn't remember that Mr. Narendra Modi said about his own motherland that it is a scam-ridden country. You wouldn't remember when Mr. Narendra Modi on foreign soil in front of foreign leaders would demean and belittle all the previous governments.
So we were not
prior
scam-ridden.
to him. You wouldn't remember all
so
that.
we were not
You
scam-ridden.
wouldn't remember the vitriol.
And we were not scam-ridden.
You should be ashamed of making India the land of corruption.
Mr. Manishankar Ayyar's statement is
And he
not
has not
a threat
said
to
in
the
that
country.
context.
But the
You are
kind
not
of
ashamed
war you have
of
waged against
making India
minorities
the
in this
land of
country,
corruption,
the intolerance
but you are
that
very
are
much
spreading in
ashamed
this
of
country,
saying
the vitriol
that it is
your
being
leaders
given
keep
a proverb
spreading
or
is
an
the real
adjective
threat.
of becoming the land of corruption.
You should rather go and
Arnab,
sermonize
ये बताइए,
Mr. Sangeet Som, Mr.
रागिनी
Giriraj
जी,
Singh, Mr.
when
V.K. Singh, who
Mahatma Gandhi
equates
went
Dalits
to
with
meet
dogs,
Irwin
and also Mr. Narendra
in
Modi,
just a
who
dhoti,
while giving
and
an
he
interview
said,
to
I
Mr. Arnab
represent the
Goswami,
country in which
equated
the
pups with
people are
Muslims.
not having even a
This is the
piece
real
of
face of the
dhoti for
BJP.
themselves, most of
And
the
you
people.
think that
Was
everybody
he
should go
demeaning
gaga
India?
about Mr.
No,
Narendra Modi?
he was
You have
mentioning
seen,
a ground reality.
Mr. Arnab Goswami was talking about a tight snap.
If you want to
I think
misquote
the
those
BJP's
things,
divisive
then I
agenda
also
has
want
got
to
a
ask
tight snap
question.
in Bihar.
In
And that is
1931,
why
what
you're so
Mr. Gandhi has
frustrated.
said,
You
was he
don't
dividing
have a
India?
concrete, decisive
अच्छा both of you now, both of you now, 1 second.
hoodwink the people.
अच्छा तनवीर सादिक, अच्छा तनवीर सादिक को बोलने तो दे, तनवीर सादिक को मौका तो दे, कल तक आपके एलाय थे, जरा 1 मिनट रागिनी। अच्छा बाय द वे, मैं नो सुधांशु जी मुझे बोलने दीजिए। So you say, I don't know, India was not scam ridden, is it? Was Kalmadi running an NGO for homeless children? And was A. Raja raising funds for street lighting in Chennai? India was not scam ridden. I don't understand.
No. You
what
are
was?
talking about
No, anyway, chaliye, let's move on.
on foreign soil.
Achha, okay.
That is the point of contention.
so we should speak
isn't it,
falsehoods
Mr.
on foreign soil.
Goswami? Don't
Okay.
try to distort and twist logic.
Okay, now the
Do not
question
do
is
that.
this. Now the question
viewers of Newshour actually have understood that you always start a debate with a preset agenda and you don't become a panelist.
रागिनी डोंट बी सो एंग्री, डोंट बी सो एंग्री, मैं सारा वीडियो प्ले कर दूंगा ना। मणिशंकर अय्यर ने एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है कांग्रेस पार्टी को। He sends an internal email which carries a clip from the discussion show on India TV, Dunia TV. In that clip also he reiterates the same thing. Anchor पूछते हैं, so what does one do to improve the situation between India and Pakistan? He says हमें ले आइए, उनको हटाइए, और कोई तरीका नहीं है। अब इसका तात्पर्य क्या है? हमें ले आइए, उनको हटाइए। First of all, and then he says, अरे इनको तो आप ही हटा सकते हैं। The anchor is also amused. The anchor is at one point of time asked, आपके ISI को बोल रहे हैं हटाने के लिए। नहीं, एंकर भी मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं। एंकर भी मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं मणिशंकर अय्यर का, वो एंकर मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं मणिशंकर अय्यर का। कोई देश का सेल्फ रेस्पेक्टिंग नेता इस तरह से बात करता है? आज तक आप बताइए एक पाकिस्तानी नेता का नाम लीजिए। सुनिए मेरी बात रागिनी जी, मुझे एक पाकिस्तानी नेता का नाम दीजिए तो भारतीय टेलीविजन में आके कहते हैं कि नवाज शरीफ को हटाइए। आज तक एक पाकिस्तानी नेता का नाम बताइए जब मुशर्रफ भी थे, मिलिट्री डिक्टेटर भी होते हैं, कोई पाकिस्तानी नेता को भारतीय चैनल पे आके बोलता है भाई मुशर्रफ को हटाइए।
अब मैं बोल सकती हूँ।
किसी ने कभी कहा? किसने कहा अयूब खान को हटाइए, जियाउल हक को हटाइए, बेनजीर भुट्टो को हटाइए? किसी ने बोला आज तक? ये क्या है? कोई सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है? मजाक बना के रखा है आपने। कोई भारतीय नेता, वो भी मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है, वो जाके कुछ भी कहते हैं हमारे देश के बारे में फॉरेन टेलीविजन चैनल पर।
मजाक बने?
आप बताइए ना
कि मजाक बने? आप जबरदस्ती इस बात को ज्यादा तूल देकर आप चाह रहे हैं।
तूल देने की बात क्या है? प्ले डाउन करूं मैं?
TRPs to be increased, that's why you want
तनवीर
to
सादिक,
sensationalize every issue so that tomorrow you can come up on your screen again and say
चलिए,
that
आपको याद तो आया मैं।
the viewership.
चलिए तनवीर सादिक को बोलने दे। तनवीर सादिक को बोलने दे। तनवीर सादिक कहते हैं आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट है। तनवीर सादिक, हाउ इज इट आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट? तनवीर सादिक, हाउ इज इट आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट?
I don't know. It's you've taken it out of context now.
Right.
Please look at the idea behind what Manishankar Iyer has said.
The idea.
Now it's been more than 1 year since the Prime Minister is as the Prime Minister. Now nobody can doubt. I don't think you, me, or anyone, whoever says that he is not the Prime Minister. He is the Prime Minister of the country. But having that been said, as a citizen of this country, I have all the right to ask. It's been 1 year. There have been no headway in Indo-Pak talks. You invite Nawaz Sharif to India for your swearing-in ceremony. You exchange saris, you exchange shawls, you meet in Ufa. But what happens at the end of the day? You don't talk. So, like Prime Minister himself snubbed his Chief Minister in Jammu and Kashmir, saying that I don't need advices or suggestions for Indo-Pakistan or Kashmir.
Yeah.
So then, what Manishankar?
Yeah, I also no. I'll tell you one thing.
Words.
No, I'll tell you. You know, problem with short-sighted politicians like you is that you don't realize the sentiment of people in our own country. I'll tell you, listen to me, Tanveer Sadik. Listen now, Tanveer, 1 minute. Tanveer, listen. Tanveer, listen. Listen to me now. Listen to me now for a minute. Listen to me tonight for a minute. Listen to me tonight for a minute. I asked the question to all the viewers of Newshour tonight that there is a person, there is an officer, there is an officer tonight called, there is an officer tonight. Please listen. When I take this officer's name, I do not want to be interrupted because Tanveer Sadik, remember tonight, we are honoring the martyrdom. We are honoring the martyrdom of Colonel Santosh Mahadik. For God's sake, remember tonight. And I take a straw poll. I take a straw poll for all the viewers of Newshour tonight. And Ragini, please listen. Ragini and Tanveer Sadik, please listen. Listen to me. Listen to me. Self-respect. Listen to me, Tanveer Sadik. Because you please lower your levels and listen to me for a minute. Tanveer Sadik and Ragini Nayak, please listen. And I will tell you tonight, I am asking the viewers of the Newshour a simple question, and I hope these two politicians will not interrupt me, especially when I'm talking of the great man who I'm going to refer to now. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we have two sides of this country. We have these people called Manishankar Iyer, who embarrass us on foreign soil, who talk like in the way they do. We have people like Salman Khurshid who call Nawaz Sharif an apostle of peace. Listen to me. Ragini, listen to me. Listen to me. And then he says, Ragini Nayak, listen to me, please. I can shout over you if I want to, but I'm speaking about something important which matters to the whole country, and I hope you give me an opportunity to. Because today the commanding officer of the 41 Rashtriya Rifles, Colonel Santosh Mahadik, for God's sake, listen to me. Colonels, you know the problem is you have no time to listen to anyone's point of view but yours. Colonel Santosh Mahadik is commanding officer of the 41 Rashtriya Rifles. Tanveer Sadik, you are being able to speak today safe in the comfort of your own home because of the martyrdom of Colonel Santosh Mahadik of the 41 Rashtriya Rifles, who has attained martyrdom, while leading his troops in a fierce encounter. And look at these politicians who will not even let me speak about the martyrdom of Colonel Santosh Mahadik. अगर अपनी बात न सुन के Colonel Santosh Mahadik के बारे में 2 मिनट भी सुनते तो लोगों को पता चलता कि देश के लोगों में, देश के जितने व्यूअर्स हैं उनके मन में कितना आक्रोश है आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को लेकर. जरा उनके बारे में तो बोलने दे. आप मणिशंकर अय्यर को बड़ा प्रेस करते हैं. सुनिए कर्नल संतोष महादिक के बारे में, सुनिए प्लीज. और मैं व्यूअर्स से पूछ रहा हूं, आज मैं न्यूज़ के व्यूअर्स से पूछ रहा हूं. आई वांट टू रीड आउट समथिंग. I want to read out something. You know, listen, please. Listen for a minute, please. Listen for God's sake.
You need to ask your
Tanveer Sadik, listen to what I'm saying now. And this is a tribute to Colonel Santosh Mahadik. which has been written for him by a matchmate of his. Santosh Mahadik was 39 years old. He was commanding officer of the 41 Rashtriya Rifles. Hand-to-hand combat with terrorists of the Lashkar-e-Toiba in the Maniga forest area of Kupwara district of Jammu and Kashmir. He laid down his life. He attained martyrdom. He was a true soldier. He conducted many successful counter-terrorist operations. He was originally from the Special Forces. He was awarded the Sena Medal for exhibiting gallantry and leadership in counter-terrorist operations. He leaves behind his wife and 2 children aged 11 and 5 years old. He gave up his life for this country. And this was written about Colonel Santosh Mahadik. I want to read out what his batchmate wrote. And he says, undoubtedly he was born for this. Right from our school days, this crazy like a bull guy always spoke of supreme sacrifice. The son of a small town milkman with absolute humble background, defying family traditions of selling milk, joined the Sainik school Satara unlike his other siblings. Calm in composure, gentle in demeanor, carried a storm in his heart, best boxer of the school, goalkeeper of the school, state champion football team and maniac-like runner, always had a smile on his face when he worked out hard in the gym. And he went on to say, before one of the finals of the boxing bout, I told him, Santu, you might be a good boxer, but I'm going to beat you this time. He just smiled at me. I lost the bout to him. When I congratulated him in the presence of his father, who had come to witness the final bout, telling him, you saved your medal, buddy. His father said, this is not the great fight of my son. His real fight will be on the borders protecting this nation, and my son will always be victorious. This class 11 boy, I had not much idea about borders and army operations then, but brimming warrior-like smile on Santu's face gave an impression to me that his father spoke Santu's heart out. Today on 17th November 2015, Santu fought and fought like a true warrior. He laid his life in supreme sacrifice for this great nation, making his father and all of us more proud of him than ever. Reminiscences of his smile reverberating in our minds that he will always be victorious. And the reason I'm reading this is so that we realize, Ragini and Tanveer Sadiq, that you might have political differences, but you've got to realize today where this country stands, Ragini and Tanveer. On the one hand, one side we have Colonel Santosh Mahadik. Tanveer, 1 minute, let me complete. On the one side, you have the martyrdom of Colonel Santosh Mahadik. And on the other side, we have the senseless anti-national words of a person who enters my parliament and denigrates his own country on Pakistani soil.
It's really saddening.
My heartiest
But please
condolences
understand
to
the
the
only way
family of
out for
Mr.
this is
Santosh
through a
Mahadik.
dialogue.
And my
Through
homage
dialogue
to the
so that this
martyr.
all ends.
Don't give me
But
templated
you are
replies.
trying to
People killed in
sensationalize the debate,
Jammu and
or you're
Kashmir.
trying to sentimentalize the debate.
Sentimentalize the debate. I'm telling you the reality. How can you use words like that? What do you mean sentimentalize the debate? What kind of argument is that?
Ragini ji, it is a fact.
I'm telling you the reality of this country.
This Salman Khurshid who has gained the respect in Pakistan, he has said that Sonia ji was having
Let's
tears in her eyes for
One
Batala House encounter. She was having a sleepless night for those who are accused of terror. But none of your party leaders, Ragini ji, none of your party leaders ever visited the village of those soldiers who were beheaded on the border of Pakistan. But your leaders have frequently visited in the Azamgarh district of Uttar Pradesh to the villages and the houses of those who are accused of terror. This is not sentimental, this is a factual of...
ये अगर आप सच में श्रद्धांजलि देना चाहते हैं महादिक को, पूछिए कि क्यों बार-बार जवानों को शहीद होना पड़ता है बॉर्डर पे। पूछिए क्यों।
अरे रागिनी जी आप बताइए, सोनिया जी की आंखों में बटाला हाउस के आतंकवादियों के लिए आंसू थे, वो रात में सो नहीं पाई।
ISIS ने 39
आपका कोई भी नेता कभी गया उन लोगों के घर पे?
कि वो जिंदा है कि मर
हमारी
गए?
पार्टी के नेता
आप
गए।
लोगों को बार-बार पूछना चाहिए एक दूसरे से।
और आप संतोष महादिक
You
का
need to
नाम
ask
लेकर
this question, why is it
शर्मिंदा कर
happening
रहे हैं?
every day?
क्योंकि भारतीय
It's
जनता
happening
पार्टी
because
के पास जवाब
we are
नहीं है।
just stuck up
मोदी
in our
सरकार के
cocoon.
पास
We are not
जवाब
coming
नहीं है।
out.
इससे
There
पता
are
चलता है कि
issues
देश
here.
के हालात
You need to
क्या
resolve
हैं?
those issues.
What are the relations that you
बिल्कुल,
share
I
with
agree
your
with-
neighboring
I
countries?
agree with
You have
Ragini.
spoiled all diplomatic relations with Nepal. See
You
what
are
you have
agreeing
done.
with Ragini.
The Indo-Pak
क्या
relation
बात
has
कर रहे
gone
हैं?
into a tailspin.
Actually, the
And
fact
you
of the
now
matter is-
concede
Snub
to
the
that
Prime
Mr.
Minister.
Trivedi.
Nepal snubbed the Prime Minister. You don't have any good links with your neighbors.
I don't know
for
what you're
heaven's
talking
sake.
about,
This is the
Tanvir.
right
The Prime
time.
Minister,
Tanvir.
the Prime
There are
Minister
issues
and the
here.
entire
अच्छा रागिनी प्लीज स्टॉप नाउ रागिनी स्टॉप रागिनी स्टॉप रागिनी प्लीज स्टॉप मैं कहता हूं 1 minute रागिनी स्टॉप नाउ रागिनी स्टॉप एंड तनवीर स्टॉप नो नो एवरीवन स्टॉप नो सुशील नो नो व्हाट्स सुशील पंडित आल्सो डोंट स्पीक रागिनी डोंट स्पीक नॉन स्टॉप लेट मी से समथिंग टू यू ये लोग रागिनी स्टॉप नाउ प्लीज रागिनी स्टॉप
डिसेंट इज नॉट
Ragini, stop now.
I'll tell you why this-
देशद्रोही तो वो सिद्ध हो चुके हैं. There is no
Ragini,
doubt about
they
it.
have not
How
solved
you
the
ever
dialogue.
allowed
That is the reason
the
the
Jawans to have
that is not
going to
people
work.
are getting
The
killed.
thing has
Why
a
don't
point.
the BJP do a little bit of
Ragini ji, you are a knowledgeable person of Hindi.
Why don't they take a
जो
few
कुछ
more
कर दिया है आपके नेताओं ने,
मैं सिर्फ
उसके लिए एक ही वाक्य कहूंगा. सुनिए कि बिगड़ी बात बने नहीं, लाख करो किनको रहीमन बिगड़े दूध को मथे न माखन.
नहीं one question should be asked no 1 minute Ragini Naik please stop now I've listened to all of you quietly please let me come back to the debate now what I'm saying is simple please stop here please let us show some respect at least to Colonel Santosh Mahadik let us show some respect to Colonel Santosh Mahadik please Ragini please stop now please stop and I'm saying something please listen to me Manishankar Iyer, viewers, I am asking you this question. A person called Manishankar Iyer goes, in his typically shallow way, the man lacks depth completely. In his typically shallow way, he says, fazul ke karan, without any reason, he says, in other words, this government stops talks with Pakistan. How terrible our own government
वो
is.
फजूल के कारण
अरे
क्या
मेरे
थे?
नहीं फजूल
वो तो शर्मल शेख पे
नहीं मैं एक सेकंड जब तक
हमने रोका
no
तो फजूल की शर्त-
listen 1 second Ragini I see no reason if you tell me today Ragini please stop now if anyone tells me today if anyone tells और दूसरों की बात भी सुनिए Ragini now please अगर कोई कहे कि कर्नल संतोष महादिक के मार्टरडम को फजूल का कारण हो कर्नल संतोष महादिक के मार्टरडम को फजूल का कारण कहा जाए तो वो इंसल्ट है कर्नल संतोष महादिक ने आज देश के लिए अपनी जान दी है आप कहते हैं फजूल का कारण है तो पूछिए हाफिज सईद को नवाज शरीफ को और वो जनरल जो भी है उनको पूछिए कि क्यों लश्कर तैयबा को ट्रेन करके इस देश में भेजते हैं हाउ डेयर यू टॉक अबाउट इट एज फजूल का कारण हाउ इज इट फजूल का कारण आई एम आस्किंग यू व्यूअर्स टुनाइट a person lays down his life for this country and Manishankar Iyer says all those reasons including the killing of people by Lashkar-e-Toiba people are fazul ka karan
When the soldiers of Indian army were beheaded by Pakistan army and the defense minister on the floor of the house was refraining to take the name of Pakistan army. He was saying some people in the disguise of Pakistani army came and beheaded the soldiers. This was the conducive atmosphere.
I'm asking tonight, how can this man enter my parliament tomorrow? It's my parliament as well. Should the president of India, if this man is a president nominated member of parliament, should the president of India take steps to sack Manishankar Iyer? It is a legitimate question tonight. Should the president of India take steps to sack Manishankar Iyer from the parliament where he has no right to be our representative? That's the relevant question tonight. Sushil Pandit also, please. Sushil Pandit.
Arnab, I would like to tell my sister Ragini, as humbly as I can, that these sons of India are dying on the border because we are at war. Because there was one Colonel Mani who lost his life and his daughter bravely saluted his body when he was brought home dead. They were dying then when Congress was ruling. As Sudhanshu said, they were getting beheaded at that time. They are dying now. We are at war with Pakistan for the past 6 decades. Please get it. We've had 4 hot conflicts across the border, brutal wars, and we have an ongoing low-intensity conflict, a proxy war from Pakistan. It is not a North Korea-America conflict, which is not a war, or China-Japanese conflict, or Iran-British conflict, something that Arnab has referred to earlier in the debate. We are at a constant war with Pakistan. You cannot go and sup with the enemy and demoralize the forces and the country by saying things that you said. You are
I'm
a
sorry,
spokesperson
nobody
of your
did that,
party,
Mr.
which is
Sushil Pandit.
fine. Please defend
Nobody-
its
nobody
policy.
carried
Please
the
defend.
excess baggage of the
Please
past.
defend its niti. But don't defend any
Where
mistake
were you, Mr. Sushil Pandit,
or
when
blunder
Mr. Narendra Modi
or such
was passing
shameless,
derogatory remarks
brazen
for his fellow
statements of
citizens
anyone from your
and for
party?
his motherland? Where
It
were
is
you?
not done. You are not there to defend anything and
Can I
everything.
come in, Arnab?
No, I'll wrap up
You
the
need
debate.
to.
Mr.
You need to please.
Manishankar Iyer, I am also putting it very humbly, Mr. Sushil Pandit, qualified
You
the
can't-
contentious
you can't just-
statement by saying,
you can't just talk
"Hum
about
harayenge,
past. You need to go
hum
into the
bahar
future.
karenge." Please
You can't
see the
just say
video
that what happened.
when he is
We
being
had
asked
four
by the
wars,
anchor
three
if he
wars.
wants
How
ISI
is-
support.
I am
He
over time.
categorically
Prime Minister
says,
has a huge
"Nahi,
mandate."
4
You
saal
see,
I don't
इंतजार
see
करेंगे."
this man-
Such a
Because
huge mandate.
in a democracy-
I remind you, this same man Manishankar Iyer, and I'll say it at the
How is that
end.
a
This man Manishankar Iyer, this man Manishankar Iyer in 2012, this man Manishankar Iyer appeared on a talk show with Hafiz Saeed. This man Manishankar Iyer in 2012 appeared on a talk show in Pakistan with Hafiz Saeed. This man in the aftermath of Charlie Hebdo made comments which were embarrassing. This man following the aftermath of the Paris attacks also had made statements which you had to dissociate with. Today the video is out. I leave it to the judgment not just of the Congress party but Parliament and the President of India whether Manishankar Iyer has the right to remain in Parliament. I think not. Let the viewers decide. I thank you for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.